Hey there folks, Mark Fallows here, and over the next few weeks I'm going to be sharing some insights into the AI tools that help me and hopefully you streamline your content creation process, particularly podcasting. I'm going to start with my favorite AI-driven tool. It's called Descript, which has become really my go-to audio and video editing assistant. Before I jump into the demo, I should say that I used to work with Adobe Audition and Premiere Pro for audio and video. And although Adobe's recently launched Adobe Podcast, Descript remains my preferred platform. As an audio and video editing software platform, it stands out for its unique features and its ease of use. What's really interesting is that Descript is a venture-backed San Francisco startup that boasts OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT and GPT-4, as its lead investor. Now, I've been using it for over 2 years, and it's always releasing new improved features, and you can find a link to a free account or a paid account in the description below. So why do I love it? Well, it's 3 reasons. Number 1, Overdub. As of today, it allows you to clone your own voice using its AI technology. It's called Overdub. It's a remarkable feature that allows you to overwrite actual recordings and replace with your own AI-generated voice. Upload text and have your ultra-realistic AI version of your voice deliver that text in different styles and different intonations. I've experimented with it for the last 6 months and I'm really impressed with the results. To use Overdub, you just need to download the Descript app onto your computer and provide it with some recordings of your voice. They say 10 minutes, but ideally 30. I uploaded some old podcast recordings of me talking to create a more serious voice, and then recently followed up by reading a more conversational style from a book for about 20 minutes that I'm reading. And then the Descript system takes over, and soon you have your very realistic overdub version of your voice. Now, to use this feature to edit your recordings, you simply have to highlight the text in question. Once let's say I've just finished a recording and I made a mistake in an interview, I just highlight the text in the editor, select Overdub, and the AI will actually then generate the corresponding audio of what I've typed in and overwrites my voice. Okay, here's an example of Overdub. Let's say I'm in a script and I've just finished a recording and I got something wrong where I mentioned someone's name but it wasn't them. All I'd have to do is highlight it like that. Take Overdub, change Simon Boyle to, let's say, David Risley. Overdub. You can see the section here and the timeline has changed. And let's give it a minute. And here we go. Give a shout out to David Risley and the fantastic Noah and the Loners. There you go. Pretty cool. It's also a really quick way to create audio tracks for use in social media, for even creating instructions for team members, like standard operating procedures. You just basically type in and upload, either type in or upload a file, and the Overdub will then generate a recording using your AI created voice. So here's another cool aspect of Overdub. Let's say I want to record my intro and I don't actually want to physically record it. So I just copy in some text here. I select the speaker. Let's make it Mark Conversational. Select that. Default style. And we just have to wait. So you can see down here in the timeline, my voice has appeared, and let's play it. To use Overdub, you'll need to download the Descript app onto your computer and provide it with some recordings of your voice. So let's say I make a mistake here, and it's not a book I'm reading, but from a PDF. So I could change that and do Overdub from a PDF I am reading. Overdub. By reading in a more conversational style about 20 minutes from a PDF I am reading. Super cool. Second reason I love it is called Studio Sound. Now, I record virtually using something called Riverside FM, and you can't always control the acoustics of where guests are, and often can sound very echoey. I also record face-to-face, and that can be in rooms where there can be background noise or you experience something called mic bleed. In all instances, studio sound really saves the day. Simply by applying it and turning on studio sound, it transforms poor audio into studio quality sound. And finally, the third reason is green screen. Well, it doesn't need much explanation. If you don't want to show the bland background, just select green screen and swap in your ideal backdrop, such as, or even. Anyway, I hope this short instructional video was useful. And like I say, if you feel like using Descript, just go into the description and click on the link. And I look forward to speaking to you next time for some other AI generated tools. See you next time.